Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jessica and today we are continuing our ice cream series. We'll be making a Skrewball peanut butter whiskey milkshake. These boozy milkshakes are delicious, and if you haven't tried Skrewball, trust me, you're gonna want to. This recipe is perfect for the upcoming hot months of summer, so let's get into it. First, you need to grab a blender, and then into the milkshake we only need a few ingredients, starting off with vanilla ice cream. Up next, you can grab any milk of choice. I actually used almond milk here, but you could use whole milk, soy milk, whatever. And of course, we need our peanut butter whiskey. You're using about an ounce per serving. And then finally, we're adding in some malted milk powder. This just helps thicken up the milkshake and adds a little nice chocolatey bite to it. So while that's blending up, grab a friend to help, and you're gonna want to get a decent sized glass. I actually ended up using a mason jar here. It works great. We're gonna make these milkshakes a little over the top by decorating them up, and that first starts with adding a nice little rim of chocolate and graham crackers. Part of the fun of eating anything really is the presentation, so we're gonna put quite a bit of effort into the presentation on these milkshakes. Once you have your rim done, you're gonna coat the outside of the glass with some additional chocolate. This ends up looking really cool, especially when we pour the ice cream in there. If you're making multiple milkshakes, go ahead and get all of this prepped, and then you can pour your ice cream into the glass. I mean, come on, how good does this look? Next, grab some whipped cream and make sure that you have the kind that uses real cream. It tastes so much better. You can fill it up, even if there's a little gap at the top, just fill it with whipped cream, no problem at all. And then start to drizzle some chocolate on top and add in your toppings. My toppings of choice were graham crackers. I also used Reese's peanut butter cups, the minis and the large ones, just kind of cut them in half and had fun decorating. Oh, and I can't forget that I also used some cookie dough bites. Those are one of our favorites. So just kind of have fun, decorate it however you want. And then I like to finish the top off with another drizzle of chocolate and some graham cracker crumbs. From here, just add in your straws and enjoy. And if you have kids, feel free to just leave out the Skrewball. It's still a delicious recipe on its own. Make sure to subscribe and follow along for more in our ice cream series. I'll see you next time.